Welcome to Scorpion. Today we're finalising the development process for the 8.5 Fiesta ST. The performance exhaust range that we're offering is a DCAT Sports Cat downpipe, GPF delete and a GPF back system, including a latest range Predator, which is really a back box delete. So now we're going to show you what's actually fitted to this Fiesta ST. So fitted to the car at the moment is our GPF back 70mm system, which includes our latest Predator offering, which is basically a rear silencer replacement. Now, while keeping the cat in place and the original GPF, the sound quality of this setup is absolutely perfect. The car is the second time it's been with us. It's covered 2,000 miles with this setup, and Adam at CUK, who's loaned us the vehicle, is really happy with it. So currently, the GPF back system is either with or without a rear silencer, but for those who have purchased the GPF back system with the silencer, we are going to be offering shortly an upgrade just to purchase the rear end of the product for that sportier sound. So not a large investment to get a different dual tone exhaust. Tailpipe options for the car, we have three: polished stainless steel, black ceramic coated stainless steel, or carbon Ascari. So that covers the performance range for this model. I'd like to say a special thanks to Adam of CUK for borrowing his development car, helping us throughout this process.
Enough talking, let's take it for a drive. So we've now covered 2,000 miles on the new Predator system, and I've nothing to report but positive vibes. As you can tell, we're now on the motorway, we're cruising, there's no drone whatsoever. However, when you want to be a little bit thuggish, get your foot down, get the pops and bangs that are very splendid.